What's up, guys? So I'm in the booth right now and I'm getting ready to clear this job. This was a 3-stage H9 Ford, like root beer 3-stage, and I'm going to be clearing it with the DV1, guys. So I got a new gun and I wanted to show you that, but I want to show you this job real quick. I got it all based out and I'm getting ready to clear it here in a minute, but I got a new gun and I'm going to be doing a video on that, so I wanted to show you guys. So I picked up the 3M performance spray gun, and I've been spraying with these for a long time, years back, the older ones, so I haven't had the new one yet, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. So I'm waiting on the cups and I'll be spraying this one soon and showing you guys this gun. So I wanted to show you guys the next video coming up. It's going to be with the performance spray gun. And like I said, I've sprayed with that gun, the older ones, for years and years. I used to use them for base, and I love that gun because it was easy to clean. So stay tuned and let's finish clearing this job out and show you how nice that DV1's going to come out, guys. So yeah, I'm using a downdraft AccuDraft today, and it's a drive-through. It's a nice setup. come out this side here, and I got the prep lane here now. So yeah guys, I'm at a new location right at the moment, and I'm spraying in 2 nice downdraft boosts. I just finished this job up too earlier. This here is a really nice booth. It's got the full grates all the way on the floor, full graded system, drive-through, and this job came out mint. The other one's pretty good too, but it's just the center downdraft. It just has the 1 pit in the middle, so this job really came out nice in this one here. So I'm looking forward to showing you guys some good videos in these boots, guys. I got lucky to get to these nice 2 downdrafts. I got 2 of them to play with, and I'll be bringing you guys some good videos from these. So stay tuned, and we're gonna show a video on that 3M gun coming up real soon here. I'm just waiting on the cups, and we'll try that thing out. I'm looking forward to it, and stay tuned, guys.